Hello peeps, here we are in Kuala Lumpur and it's washing day. Just to let you see that it's not all plain sailing, lying on beaches and relaxing. Kate is ironing away in the background here, you know. Now this is the third floor of the Holiday Inn Express here in Kuala Lumpur and they have a laundry room. Take a look. Is that my shirt?
We're actually on the second floor and the ironing is free. The other thing is the gym's right next door, so while the washing's going on, I've been doing some yoga.
So as I said, it's not all luxury and relaxing. We still have to wash our pants. See you.